hope you're all doing well. I am just ripping into my Fab Fit Fun box. So I just got this in the mail, so I wanted to show you guys what came in my Fab Fit Fun for the spring 2019 season. So here's what the box looks like when I open it up. I always love these magazines. You guys know the cost of this is $50 per season, $49.99. There's always a some kind of a sponsor. This one says it's in support of what is it? I don't even know. I can't tell what this is. To be honest, I'm not familiar with it. But this is who it's in support of. This foundation, which I will definitely read up more on it in my catalog here. So I always love that there's a charity that benefits from the Fab Fit Fun box. So, all right, so in this guide, it shows you all the products that are in the box. Now, if you're so you can have just a seasonal subscription. You can have a select membership also, where you're paying for a whole year in advance. So you get the discount because it's only $179.99 for the whole year. So you get a bit of a discount, where otherwise you're paying the $50 per season. So it's $200 a year, so you can save yourself $20 if you want to be a select member. Other benefits to being a select member is that you can select products that are going to go into your box. So you can also choose add-ons and stuff like that. So they'll send you an email when you can customize your box. So you can then pick certain products. I don't know, you guys, I'm not sure. I've had a select membership for the last 3 years, so I'm not really sure if you're able to choose your products. I think you might still be able to customize your box if you're seasonal, but if you're select, there's like 2 additional products that you can customize. So there are perks to being a select member, but that's pretty much the gist of it, guys. I can't think of anything else to tell you about it. Check it out if you're interested in Fab Fit Fun. This is a awesome box for the price that you pay. Okay, so first thing off the top here, you get a $50 gift card to HelloFresh. I've yet to try HelloFresh. What do you guys think about it? Let me know in the comments below. I definitely want to maybe try one out. I've seen several different brands of these food services on YouTube here. So, okay, I'm just gonna rip off the top and show you guys what I got. So this is the first thing in here. This is from Tula. It's a probiotic purifying face cleanser. Look at how big this sucker is. This is 6.7 fluid ounces, just a big bottle. And it's a $28 value. So I was able to select between this cleanser, a daily detox brush, or a jump rope from 11 by Venus. And I opted to go for this face cleanser because I already have a jump rope and I wasn't interested in the detox brush. So this is a $28 value for this cleanser. Next is from the brand Korres. I believe it's either Korres or Korres. And this is a vitamin C brightening sleeping facial, which, hello, that sounds awesome. $48 value for this guy. This was, okay, so all members, all right, so see, that's cool. So all members get to choose these 3 products. So you can customize for all members. And then the select members get these 2 additional products to customize. So you could have gotten either sunglasses, a Sunny Life Lovers picnic set, or this vitamin C brightening sleeping facial. This is what I opted to go for. This is a $48 value, although those sunglasses are super cute too. So, but I'll definitely use that. I love me some skincare products for sure. Next, I got a Sip by Swell. This is one of those insulated water bottles. I guess you can have hot or cold liquid in here. This is a $20 value. You could have gotten either this or some Ciate London translucent powder, or there was a necklace. And so I opted to go for the water bottle. I don't know why I did, because I have a lot of water bottles, but I'm looking forward to trying these because I know people seem to really enjoy the Sip by Swell. So we'll see how that goes. Next is from Traystique. What in the world? Is this one of the products that... Did I choose this or not? I'm not sure. Where is it on here? Oh, is this my... Did I choose the mystery item? Okay, so right here you could have chose a mystery item. There could have been... You could have gotten some copper-plated measuring spoons, some body lotion, or a mystery item. So this must be... I must have gotten the mystery item. I'm going to guess. It's in the color Namos Pink. This is okay. I like the Traystique lippies. They're not like anything I'm crazy about, but I do like them. This one's a little bit of a weird color for me. It's pretty bright, but it'll be pretty for the summer. I will definitely wear it. And then so you get the color on one end, and then this side is just a lip balm. So what is on this? Oh, nothing. Okay, so that's cool. I like it. All right, what is next here? So now this is a brand, this is from the brand Quay. This is a leave-in conditioner. So I guess this one, it says in every box. So does that mean, oh, these 3 items are in every box, so that's cool. Let's see. The leave-in conditioner is a $26 value, so I will definitely use that. I love leave-in conditioner, so I will without a doubt use that. This is from the brand Dr. Brandt, No More Baggage. So I think I have this. I got this in a BoxyCharm box, and I really enjoy it. I actually use this at nighttime instead of in the daytime because if you use it in the daytime, makeup doesn't go on top of it really well, so I don't use it during the day, but I do use it. It's a nice product, and it is a $42 value. And then the last thing is from Mana Kadar. It's a champagne. Oh, this isn't the last thing. I still have one more thing in here. Wow, this sucker is huge. This is a champagne charcoal scrub. So it's just a body scrub. We're in the shower. What's it gonna smell like? Champagne. What's it gonna smell like? Can't smell it through this. I hate opening them, but I guess scrubs I'll probably, ooh, it almost burped at me. It smells like, it smells fruity. I don't know, maybe a little bubbly smelling, but mostly like fruity. It smells really, really good, so I look forward to using that. That is a $24 value. And then I think this is my last product. Okay, so this is another product that you could have chosen. There were 3 things you could have chosen from. This is you could have gotten this little robe, the purse, or a diffuser. So I already have a robe, already have a diffuser. I had a hard time choosing on this one because I was like, oh, kind of have everything. But this one will be nice if I need to have a purse just to go out, have just a little bit of small stuff with me. You know, one of my kids' field trips or whatever. It's kind of not a typical one I would use because I'm not a canvas fan really, but I think it's super cute for a quick, you know, can toss this guy on my back for a quick day, you know, quick field trip or something. So I think it's cute. What do you guys think? All right, I'll see about it. If I don't end up liking it, one of my daughters will for sure. So that is a $75 value for that. And that's it, you guys. So it says here your box could retail anywhere from $226.99 to $314. Let me tally mine up and I'll let you guys know where mine ended up. Okay guys, my box value was $282.99, so that's a pretty darn good deal, I would say, for 50 bucks a season. So anyways, that is everything that I got in my box. And then you guys know on the end here, I will always show you my add-ons. I didn't get anything major this time. What did I even do with my add-on? Where is it? Oh, here we go. I just got the mystery add-on like I always do. So it's a mystery bundle. So it ends up being 30 bucks and then you get just whatever they send you. And to me, I find that it's a pretty good deal. So I always just kind of like to be surprised. I feel like the box isn't much of a surprise anymore because we get to choose so many products that I guess I have fun with this, this little add-on. And so this is the bag of what I got. So this is fun. I got a dry shampoo from the brand Oribe, which is fantastic because this is a really, really good product. In fact, where did I get that? Did we get this in our last box? Maybe we did. And I am a big, big fan of this Oribe, but I would never purchase it at full price. It's very expensive. You know, I just get the Batiste and the Psst, you know, cheaper stuff. Then there is a, what is this? Skincare oil. Where does this go? Okay, a lot of this doesn't. Okay, apply to body, face, and hair. From Avene. It's a pretty floral scent. But that's cool, huh? That's cool. And then I got this stuff, this odor eliminator for your feet. I don't get stinky feet at all. I've gotten that before, I think, in one of their boxes, if I'm not mistaken. So, whatever. We will use it up or give it away, one or the other. And then the last thing is, it looks like this says 3 travel bags. So these look like 3 different cinch sack sizes. So yeah, my tag-alongs, they're called. So this one, and then you've got this one, and then a bigger one. So these would be good to, you know, take to the beach, I think, and just kind of toss snacks into that you don't want, you know. I don't know. I don't think I would carry them around by themselves, really, but you know, when you're running out of the house and you need to take a few things with you, these are kind of handy to have. So I will definitely get some use out of these. So that's everything, you guys. So what did you guys think of the Fab Fit Fun box for spring? I think it's a really nice box. I definitely think that it's like Christmas opening these boxes up. So I really, really enjoy sharing mine with you guys. And I hope you are all doing well. I'll see you soon. Bye, everyone.